All right, so our favorite label maker can make a red label. It has a special thermal tape that'll do these in red. You can actually have like the arrow in red and the letters in black if you want. And how that's accomplished is with a two-color tape, which is 10 times the cost of our normal tape. I'm not worried about cost. I just want to make sure people know what they're doing and can change this out on their own. So first thing, if you're going to use a different roll, and this also applies if you're just changing the roll, to change this, lift this out. This very specifically goes in. See this right here, think of it as a foot. Think of it as the foundation. It stands up like that. So it only fits in one way. You lead your label through the printer roll till it tucks out of the front. There's no special releases or anything. You just tuck it in there, it pokes out right there. Okay, shut the lid, green light, ready to go, almost. There is a button that says check media right here. You hit that, checking, and then what you notice is all of a sudden is you have a color option right here. You can pick black, red, white. I can't imagine white being an option. Oh, maybe it's not. Okay, it's not really. So black or red or a combination thereof. And I'm going to change it to red. So you can see it right on the screen. You got both colors. If I hit print, which I'm not going to do, we don't have a lot of that tape, then it would go. So, and then if I'm changing it back to the black only, or even if I'm changing a roll, it's good practice to hit that check media button in. I'm guessing there's some kind of microchip in there, some kind of like RFID deal that identifies itself to the machine. So again, I'm going to hit check media. And we're back to black. That's it.